Next is paragraph type questions. So let's solve it. A circle whose radius is 1 unit and center in the first quadrant touches the y-axis at A. Let's draw the diagram. A circle whose radius is 1 unit and center in the first quadrant touches the y-axis at A. A tangent is drawn from origin O to the circle. Let us say this is the tangent other than y-axis, right? So this point is O and this is the tangent. It touches the circle at B. A point C lies on the line OB such that triangle OAC is a right angled triangle. So let us join this line. So we say that this is point C and this is a right angle triangle where angle A is right angle, right? Also the perimeter of triangle OAC is 8. So we have to find the length of tangent to the circle from origin. Let us assume that center of the circle is 1, B, right? And let us say this point is D and let us say this is A, B, right? Now let us firstly find the equation of line OC. Equation of line OC will be y equal to b by a into x, right? Now if we draw perpendicular from D to this line, then the radius is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to b by a minus b divided by root of 1 plus b square by a square. Modulus of this is equal to 1. So we can say 1 plus b square by a square is equal to, let's square on both sides, b square by a square plus b square minus 2b square by a, right? So these two are cancelled. So from here we get 2b square by a is equal to b square minus 1, or a is equal to 2b square divided by b square minus 1. So this is one relation that we get between A and B. Now, also it has been given that perimeter of triangle OAC is 8, right? Now we know OA. OA is B and OC is root A square plus B square and AC is A. So we have A plus B plus root of A square plus B square equal to 8. Now, firstly rearrange it and then do squaring. Now after squaring we get a square plus b square, that will be cancelled on both sides, plus 64 plus 2ab minus 16a minus 16b is equal to 0. So we have ab minus 8a minus 8b plus 32 equal to 0. So from 1 and 2, let us solve a and b. Let's put the value of a here. 32 minus 8b plus b minus 8 into a, that is 2b square divided by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 32 minus 8b multiplied with b square minus 1 plus b minus 8 into 2b square is equal to 0. So let's cancel 2 here. This is 16 and this is 4. We get 16b square minus 16 minus 4b cube plus 4b plus b cube minus 8b square is equal to 0. That is minus 3b cube plus 16 minus 8. So plus 8b square plus 4b minus 16 equal to 0. That is 3b cube minus 8b square minus 4b plus 16 is equal to 0. Now that can be written as b minus 2 whole square into 3b plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here it can be seen that b can definitely not be equal to minus 4 by 3. So we have b equal to 2. So length of tangent to the circle from origin, that is OB will be equal to OA, that is equal to B. So correct answer is option number A. Next, question number 47 says that the length of BC equals. Now here it can be seen that length of BC can be found by finding firstly OC and OB. So BC is equal to OC minus OB. So OC is equal to root of A square plus B square minus B. So let's find the value of A also. A is equal to, from equation 1, it can be seen that 2 into 2 square, that is 8, divided by 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we have A equal to 8 by 3 and B equal to 2. So this is equal to root of 64 by 9 plus 4 minus 2. So that is equal to under root of 64 plus 36, that is 100 minus 2, that is 10 by 3 minus 2. So that is equal to 4 by 3. So correct answer is option number B. Next is area of quadrilateral OADB, where D is the center of the given circle. So area of OADB we have to find, that is this area. Now it can be seen that if I join OD, then these two triangles are congruent. So area will be 2 times area of OAD. 2 times area of triangle OAD is equal to area of quadrilateral OADB. Now OAD is a right angle triangle, so very easy. 2 times half into B into 1, that is equal to half into 2 into 1 into 2. So this is equal to 2 square units. So answer is option number A. Next paragraph says that consider a natural number n such that n is equal to p1 raised to the power a, p2 raised to the power b, p3 raised to the power c, where p1, p2, p3 are prime numbers and a, b, c are natural numbers. When we discuss about the divisors of n, then we have this expression that is given by E. Here we observe that each term of this expansion is a divisor of n. So total number of divisors are a plus 1, b plus 1 into c plus 1. With the help of this expression, we can also calculate the sum and product of divisors. Right? We have already studied about this. So in the question, it is given that m is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 4 into 7 raised to the power 4. So these are already prime numbers. So question number 49 says that the number of divisors of n which leaves the remainder 1 when divided by 4. That is, we need divisors of the form 4 lambda plus 1, because if the divisor is of the form 4 lambda plus 1, then it will leave the remainder 1 when it is divided by 4. I hope this is clear. Now it can be seen that factor of 2 cannot be taken here because it is an odd number, right? Now let us firstly talk about 5. See, 5 is always an 4 lambda plus 1 type number if we take 5 raised to the power any power, that is 5 raised to the power n is always of the form 4 lambda plus 1. Let us talk about 5 also, 25 also, 125 also, they are all of the form 4 lambda plus 1. Now let us talk about 3 raised to the power n. See, 3 raised to the power n is of the form 4 lambda plus 1 when n is an even number, and it is of the form 4 lambda minus 1 when n is an odd number. So when n is equal to 0, then this is 1. When n is 1, then it is 3, that is 4 lambda minus 1 type, right? So in this way you can see it. Also let's talk about 7 raised to the power n. Same is the case here. It is of the form 4 lambda plus 1 when n is even and 4 lambda minus 1 when n is odd. Like when you take n equal to 1, then it is 7, that is of the form 4 lambda minus 1. I hope this is clear. See here, n is even as 3 raised to the power n is given. So n can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equal to even means it can take value 0, 2 or 4. And here n equal to odd means it can take value 1, 3 and 5. maximum power of 3 is 5 given, right? So more than 5 cannot be taken. Now here if we see, if n is even for 7 raised to the power 4, n can be 0 to 4, and here it can be 1, 3, that's it. 5 is not there, right? And here 5 raised to the power n, n can be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, right? All these possibilities are here. Now let us talk about when we will get 4 lambda plus 1 form. See, if I multiply 4 lambda plus 1 into 4 lambda plus 1, then I will get 4 lambda plus 1 form. If I square it, I will get again 4 lambda plus 1 form. Or if I take 4 lambda minus 1 into 4 lambda minus 1, if we multiply these two, then again I will get 4m plus 1 type form, right? So these two are required. If I take 4 lambda minus 1 into 4 lambda plus 1, then I will get 4 lambda minus 1 form, but that is not required, right? So I can multiply 4 lambda plus 1 3 times also, then again we will get 4 lambda plus 1 form. Similarly here also, if I multiply it with 4 lambda plus 1 again, then also I will get 4 lambda plus 1 form. I hope this is clear. So if I take any number from here and any number from here, then how many numbers will be obtained? From here I can have 3 possibilities. From here also I have 3 possibilities. So 3 into 3 into, and it can be multiplied with any of these 5 also, into 5. Plus, now let's talk about minus 1 case. From here I have 3 possibilities. From here I have 2 possibilities. And it also can be multiplied with any of these 5. So this is equal to 3 into 5 can be taken common, that is 15 into 3 plus 2, that is 5. So this is equal to 75. So this is our correct answer. Next is question number 50. A very simple question. Total number of divisors of m. Total number of divisors of m will be, see in here power we have 4. So this is 4 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. So that is equal to 5 cube into 6. So that is 125 into 6, that is 750. So correct answer is option number D. Next is question number 51, which says the product of those divisors of m which are divisible by 6. A very nice question. For divisibility by 6, we need at least 1 2 and at least 1 3, right? So let us see. We will take 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 2 or 3 or 4 can also be taken. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 1 is required, plus 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 5 into. See, 5 raised to the power 0 can also be taken, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Similar is the case for 7, either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Now we need the product of all these divisors. See, let us say I take only this one. 2 raised to the power 1 is taken only, right? So from here, how many divisors I have? Here I have 5 divisors. Here I also have 5 divisors. And here also I have 5 divisors, right? So 5 into 5 into 5, I have 125 divisors from these 3 brackets. So I have 2 raised to the power 1 into 125. Now similarly, if I take 2 raised to the power 2, then also I have 125. So I can say it will be 125 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. These many of times this will repeat. I hope this is clear. Now similarly, let's take 3 raised to the power 1. So here I have 4 divisors. So 4 into 5 into 5, that is 20 into 5, that is 100 times. So 100 times 3 raised to the power 1 will repeat. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 2 will repeat 100 times. So I can write it as 3 raised to the power 100 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Similarly, 5 raised to the power 4 into 5, that is 100 into 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 7 raised to the power 4 into 5, that is again 100 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. I hope this is clear. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power 1250 into 3 raised to the power 1500 into 5 raised to the power 1000 into 7 raised to the power again 1000. Now answer is given in different format. So let's convert it. It is equal to 2 raised to the power 250 common. So this is 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 4 into 7 raised to the power 4. So from the given options we see option number B is the correct answer.